Hello students, lesson number 6, Natural Regions. Let's continue the lesson. The natural regions given in the table are found in specific latitudinal extents between the equator and poles. Availability of water and temperatures found there determine the location and extent of these regions. Besides the regions mentioned above, there are some more regions which stand out due to local condition. They are the monsoon, the Mediterranean and the West European regions. While the monsoon and West European regions stand out because of specific winds blowing there, the Mediterranean region is known for its rainfall in winters. These are described in the table below. Our first region, monsoon region. Location and areas. North and south of the equator between 10 degree and 30 degree north and south parallels. Areas, Indian subcontinent, Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, East Africa and Central America, etc. Climate of monsoon region. Summer temperatures between 27 degree and 32 degree Celsius. Winter temperatures 15 degree to 24 degree Celsius. Rainfall 250 to 2500 millimeter. Areas get rains in specific seasons from southwest monsoon. Rainfall is highly variable and distribution is quite uneven. Natural vegetation of monsoon regions. Semi-evergreen and deciduous forests. Vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall. Banyan, peepal, teak, sal, sesame, sandalwood, cinchona, bamboo, acacia, shrubs, grasses, etc. are found here. Animal life. Wild animals such as tigers, lions, leopards, cheetahs, elephants, wolves, boars, monkeys, snakes, peacocks, cuckoos, etc. Domesticated animals, cattle, goats and horses. Human life of monsoon region. Large number of small hamlets. Considerable difference in diet and costumes. Population is mostly involved in primary occupations. Main occupation is agriculture.